Are you wasting your time in searching and dragging and dropping kick samples for sample browse? These steps are no longer required. Introducing Kick Factory 2. Kick Factory 2 is a high-quality sample-based Kick Rompler engine where samples have been mapped across the keyboard. So, if you want to change the samples, you can do it easily from the piano roll or the MIDI editor of your DAW. From EDM to trance, techno, dubstep, psytrance, pop, rock, jazz, ambient, we have embedded 14 most popular genre in Kick Factory 2. Kick Factory 2 comes with over 142,000 of samples. It is the best kick samples library ever created for music production. Over 1.65 GB of factory content. New RDG file format that loads almost instantly. Kick Factory 2 has 200 presets. And you can load additional expansions once we publish new one. Besides the 200 factory presets, if you wish, you can shape your own kick with ADSR envelope and modify the sounds from the body and top notch section. From the body section, you can shape the bottom end, and from the top notch, you can add high mid frequency for kick sound. And last but not the least, we have added sound effects like reverb kicks, reverse reverb kicks, reverse kicks, and reverb stutter kicks. It is a big time saver for creating kick effects like this from scratch. Over 2 years of research and development, finally we have created Kick Factory 2, where we put all the legacy Kick Factory contents as well. By far it is the huge kick samples library ever created for kick production, where you can shape, tune and modify kick sounds easily than ever before. Kick Factory 2 is available in AU for Mac and VST/VST3 for PC in 64 bits format.